It was never about chivalry for me. I just gotta do what I've gotta do. That's all.
You reach for the crown, but the crown bites back. Every step you take just deepens the crack.